An object takes n times as much time to slide down a 45-degree rough incline as it takes slide down perfectly smooth 45-degree incline, so that the coefficient of kinetic friction is given by mu k is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by n square. The expression of the particle of mass m sliding down perfectly smooth 45-degree incline a1 is equal to g sine 45-degree. This implies that a1 is equal to g into 1 divided by square root of 2. This implies that a1 is equal to g divided by square root of 2. And the acceleration of same particle sliding down a rough 45-degree incline a2 is equal to g sine 45-degree minus mu kg cos 45-degree. This implies that a2 is equal to g divided by square root of 2 into 1 minus mu k. For particle is starting from rest, s is equal to 1 divided by 2 square. This implies that 2s is equal to 80 square. This implies that 2s divided by a is equal to t square. This implies that square root of 2s divided by a is equal to t. For s is same in both cases, t is inversely proportional to square root of a. t2 divided by t1 is equal to square root of a1 divided by a2 is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus mu k. t2 divided by t1 is equal to n. This implies that n is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus mu k. This implies that n square is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus mu k. This implies that n square into 1 minus mu k is equal to 1. This implies that n square minus n square mu k is equal to 1. This implies that n square minus 1 is equal to n square mu k. This implies that n square divided by n square minus 1 divided by n square is equal to mu k. This implies that 1 minus 1 divided by n square is equal to mu k.